This fireplace makes our entertainment center, oh my goodness, it is the best thing we got. Let me show you how to use it. It's so simple. So you do have an on and off switch there, but this remote works like a charm. So you have color A here. That's gonna change the flames. So there's all these different colors of flames. And then color B changes the crystals. So you can do a ton of different combinations. And it's really fun with that. So you can kind of find what works best for you, whatever you're in the mood for. Maybe you want something a little bright and fun or more traditional with the fire and the colors. You just choose whatever speaks to you. So you can kind of play around with that, or something that you always love, you can keep as your go-to. So lots of fun options there. I usually like, let me get to the one I really like. I like the blues, I like the purples, that's kind of my speed. Okay, speaking of speed, there's different speeds. I have it on the slowest speed right now, but watch what happens. So we can turn this into a roaring fire. Let me step back. So you can choose your speed, which is really cool. So I love that. At night, this looks amazing. This is daytime. Still looks really cool. I'm gonna kind of show you from farther away. So super cool there. Again, you can change that speed so the flames kind of get a little bit more dancey. Then you do have that timer mode. That's always good. Heat, I'll show you that in a second because I'm gonna get up close. And then dimmer. Okay, so we have different levels. You can make it brighter, and then you can make it dimmer. So your choice of how bright or how dim you wanna make that. Okay, and then heat, watch this. So it turns on, and it is instant. I'm gonna be quiet for a second. You can hear that. I can feel the heat coming out. Heat within seconds, and then you can heat it even more, and then you can just hit it off. So super simple to use with the remote, easy, and then there's a little section here that you can store it so you never lose it. I just think this is the sweetest fireplace, and we recessed it into this. We custom made this, but you can also have it where it's not recessed into your wall. But yeah, isn't it beautiful? So cool. We love it.